In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Lacoste discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Lacoste discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list of different types of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this 15% discount right here, all you need to do is select your coupon code, and this is the promo code that you can copy from right here and apply on your next purchase so that you can get a 15% discount. Also, we have right here this website which is called simplycodes.com. And right here we also have some promo codes and deals that you can use. So for example, if you want to get this $10 discount right here, all you need to do is simply tap right here where it says copy code. And after that, the code will show up right here. I'm just going to wait a little bit for the page to load up. And then the promo code will show up right here. So this is the promo code. You can simply tap right here, copy this one, and apply it on your next purchase to get the $10 discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.